So this is
You want to eat
Anderson
it together?
and his friend Raphael. She came over for a play date. And,
Oh.
and it seems they both want the duck. This is a very popular duck. Oh, he's going to share. Isn't
That's
that?
very nice.
Oh.
Who's stronger?
We're going to have a tug of war. Share germs.
Hey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful.
That's an excellent duck, huh?
Yeah.
Tasty, very tasty. Yeah.
Looks good. Duck, duck, duck. You're saying duck, duck, duck. Duck, duck, duck.
Talking to the duck.
Ooh,
Okay,
yeah.
gonna bang the duck on the head. Okay,
Bang,
that's
bang,
fun. Hi, Grandma. Hi. Hi.